Okay, good morning everyone. We're about to take a nap, or at least somewhat of a nap, because we did not sleep at all in that flight, but it was not Air Canada's fault, really. I blame Airbus and the A330, because usually their planes don't run that hot.
It was the fact that it didn't have any fans in it. Would you like a sip?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, they were
German water. Quite good.
Vio. German water, yeah.
Locally sourced from Frankfurt.
We made it to the hotel. It was a little bit of a lengthy walk, but it really wasn't too bad. It was literally a straight shot from the subway station to the hotel. I really cannot complain. But this is the Melia Hotel, INNside Melia Hotel Ostend. This is the Loft room, which is the pinnacle of rooms they offer here at Melia. There is one at the Melia Hotel in Frankfurt, but that's about it. And they don't get much better than this, really. We have traditional German bath. It's pretty nice. German hoods.
Yes, technically staying there looking absolutely exhausted.
One of the massive TVs. We had two. This is nifty. So in order to activate the light switches and pretty much anything else in the suite, you need to have your key card inserted. Your hotel card, blinds, lights. Minibar, anything in the minibar we want is free to take and use.
They'll probably even reload it.
There's bath gear down there.
Coffee stuff, free chips.
Oh, and you can buy one of those for €8 each.
Let's see.
Not that we would, but the offer's there. But that is our suite. We will talk to you guys later. We're going to get some shut-eye and then hit the town.